Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, D Dawn is in the kitchen today to do what? Sweet rice porridge. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And to all my YouTuber followers, supporters, subscribers, a very big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's get started with our sweet rice porridge. 1 cup whole milk. 1 cup white rice. 2 tablespoons flour. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 2 cinnamon leaf. Half teaspoon grated nutmeg. Sugar for sweetening. This is the white sugar. Half teaspoon almond. Sweet milk for sweetening. This is condensed milk or sweet milk or carnation milk. Half teaspoon salt. Here we have 2 cups of water in the pot boiling. To that you're going to add the salt and the cinnamon leaf. You're going to rinse the rice 2 to 3 times and you add it to the pot of boiling water. I'm using the jasmine rice. So we're gonna let the rice boil for 20 minutes. So just wanna lower the fire to medium heat and let it boil 20 minutes. 20 minutes and it's time for us to remove the cinnamon leaf. You wanna remove all these leaves. The cinnamon leaf already done its job. Now you're gonna mix the flour that you have here in water, in 1 cup of water, and mix out every lump. And you're gonna add this to the pot. Okay, so we put the flour in, and when you put the flour in, you just have to keep stirring. And you want to stir it until it begins to boil. And you're going to grate the nutmeg. Just to get half a teaspoon. We're going to mix the nutmeg in some water before we add it in because you don't want it to become lumpy. So this is nutmeg and you're going to pour it in. Leave it open, don't not cover it. Even this part here, the maize, you can take it off, like you pull it, take it off, and you can use it in the porridge. And I add the vanilla in, and the almond, 1 teaspoon. If you don't have the cinnamon leaf or cinnamon stick, you can use cinnamon powder. You let it boil for 5 more minutes and then you add the whole milk in, 1 cup. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see, sweet rice porridge, and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and hit that notification bell so when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. Gonna let it boil for 5 minutes more uncovered. Do not cover the pot. If you cover it, everything will boil over. And now you can add the sweet milk to sweeten. You add your sweet milk in, whatever amount you want, you add it in. Or you can add the carnation milk in, whatever amount you want to use, you can add it in with sweetener. You can add your sugar in. At this time, you sweeten with whatever sugar you want to put in it. If you want to have it just as it is, go ahead, because that's the way I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna sweeten some with some milk, and I'm gonna have the rest just as it is. For now, and we're gonna turn the fire off, and we're gonna move on to the next phase. So don't go away. So guys, our rice porridge is now ready for drinking. Ain't it looking delicious, hot and steamy and sweet? So guys, give it a try, don't hesitate. Sweet rice porridge, creamy and delicious. And thank you for watching D Don Kitchen. Please take care, and above all, let us be our brother's keeper. One love, peace all the time.